Get ready for an incredible adventure as we explore the story of life on Earth, from its very beginnings to the diverse and complex forms we see today. We'll make this journey fun, easy to understand, and full of fascinating details. Let's imagine Earth about 3.8 billion years ago. It was a young planet still forming and changing. Picture a landscape with active volcanoes, bubbling oceans, and a very different atmosphere from what we have today. Deep in the ocean, near hot volcanic vents, the first tiny life forms appeared. These were simple cells, the most basic units of life, and they found everything they needed in the hot water and minerals gushing out from the volcanic vents. These cells were the pioneers of life. Over millions of years, they learned to survive and thrive in their environment. These early life forms were similar to some bacteria we see today, and they laid the groundwork for more complex life to evolve. Fast forward to about 2.4 billion years ago. A significant event occurred. Cyanobacteria, tiny organisms capable of photosynthesis, began to release oxygen into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is a process where organisms use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into energy, producing oxygen as a byproduct. This increase in oxygen was revolutionary. It transformed the Earth's atmosphere and allowed for the development of more complex life forms. Jump ahead to around 550 million years ago, to a period known as the Cambrian Explosion. This was a time of rapid evolution when many new types of animals appeared almost simultaneously. Imagine the oceans teeming with strange and wonderful creatures of all shapes and sizes. This explosion of life forms created the foundations for the incredible diversity we see today. Life didn't stay confined to the oceans. About 500 million years ago, the first organisms began to move onto land. These were simple plants and fungi, which prepared the way for more complex land-dwelling creatures. Around 250 million years ago, vertebrates, animals with backbones, started to appear. This was a major step in the evolution of life, leading to the vast variety of animals we are familiar with today. Our journey takes another exciting turn about 7 million years ago, when early human-like beings known as hominins began to appear. These ancestors of ours started to walk on two legs, use simple tools, and develop basic social structures. Then, around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, modern humans, emerged. We began to use more complex tools, develop language, and build communities, setting the stage for human civilization. Throughout this amazing journey, one element has been incredibly important: carbon. Carbon is a key building block of life. It's present in the air as carbon dioxide and in the oceans in various forms. Plants and other organisms use carbon dioxide during photosynthesis to create energy, and in the process, they release oxygen, which we need to breathe. Scientists have discovered that Earth's life forms have produced and recycled massive amounts of carbon over billions of years. Today, there are about 10.30, that's a 1 followed by 30 zeros, cells on Earth. Historically, the number of cells that have ever existed could be as high as 1040, a 1 followed by 40 zeros. That's an unimaginable number of living cells. The sun plays a crucial role in sustaining life on Earth. It provides the energy needed for photosynthesis, which is the foundation of most food chains. But the sun is not constant. It's slowly getting brighter. Scientists predict that in about 2 billion years, this increase in brightness will make Earth too hot for life as we know it. While life on Earth is rich and diverse, scientists are also looking beyond our planet for signs of life. Some of the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, like Europa and Enceladus, are especially intriguing. These icy moons might have liquid water beneath their surfaces, and where there's water, there could be life. As the sun gets brighter, these moons might receive more energy, possibly supporting life in their hidden oceans. Solar energy is also incredibly important for us today. We use technologies like solar panels to convert sunlight into electricity. There are also passive solar designs that make buildings more energy efficient by naturally capturing and using the sun's heat and light. These technologies are helping us move towards a more sustainable future. So, the journey of life on Earth is an amazing story of adaptation and evolution, driven by essential elements like carbon and the energy from our sun. It shows us how interconnected and complex our ecosystems are, and it sparks our curiosity about life beyond our planet. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through time. Remember, Every living thing on Earth today is part of this rich tapestry of life that began billions of years ago and continues to evolve and amaze us.